Cuddle Bear is eating French fries.
Dad, you have a spicy song? What? Cuddle's hungry.
He's what?
Hungry.
Cuddle Bear is hungry?
Huh?
What is Daddy doing?
No, do it again.
What is Daddy? What is Daddy doing? Don't even come for me, okay? Don't come for me, because I did not send for you, okay? Oh, I scratched your face? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I get it.
Daddy, what? Why is that big old towel over top of my bed? Why is it not in the bathroom?
How do you do
Billy, Billy, Billy.
Yesy, yesy, yesy.
What are you doing?
I'm on my phone. Ow! Sorry. Ouch! Sorry.
Is that a picture?
Are you going to say hi
Hi.
to the sunshine?
No, not my sunshines. Those are your sunshines.
Hey, dude.
That's flashes, right?
Jack.
I throw the best there.
Teeny bun.
I just need 3 more people. Now it's time to make it.
So Mr. Marcelo passes his CDLs today, so I figured I would take him out to celebrate, and we came to his favorite restaurant, Olive Garden. I don't know why he likes Olive Garden, but it's his favorite. It's his favorite. It's his favorite.
I get to carve up on bread.
Exactly. So, yeah, that's what we're doing tonight.
Yeah, how you doing?
There's like this one person on my my channel that keeps disliking my videos. Like they're just going around disliking my videos. Like if you're gonna be a subscriber of mine, I don't see why you would go around and dislike my videos. That's like so petty. So I don't know. That's sad, but it doesn't do anything to me. I really don't care. So yeah, if you don't like my stuff, just unsubscribe and go about your business. You don't have to stay on my channel and, you know, thumbs down my stuff. I'm not doing this for you or anyone else. I'm doing it for my children, so I'm just sharing it. So too bad. Anyways, peace out for the night. I'm gonna go spend time with my family.
Where do he go?
It looks salty.
Where do he go?
That sticker?
Yeah.
I don't know. Put it on the just put it on a random spot. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Go right over. Right here. Right here, Mommy. Right here. There. Not when they're white. But it's all
You want to put it on top of your pizza?
That was yours?
I got
Whose was it? Who's
I ordered 3 things.
What did you order, Jordan?
Daddy, it says small shells.
Small what?
Small shells.
I can't hear you.
Small shells.
Jordan, how do you pray while you eat?
Just know where the stuff is.
Yeah, but I gotta.
Jackson, how do you pray while you eat? He's a silly boy. You just did it. Look, look. Are you praying while you eat?
I'm crazy.
Oh, an ambulance. Go ahead, baby. Use your knife and fork. Yep, cut that pizza that's already cut it.
Yeah, cut it.
Yeah, it was already cut.
Cut it.
Yeah.
Oh, Destiny.
Leave it to Destiny in the room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's just like pulling it apart.
Cheapest man right there. We're out celebrating him. And this is Happy Valentine's Day. What?
We're splitting it.
I don't want it anymore. I don't want it. I'm good.
Come taste it.
No, I don't want it.
It's wonderful.
If this is your version of the Happy Valentine's Day to me, I don't want it. Thank you, honey. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So we're getting ready to go to church. And it's snowing outside. It's snowing outside and
Get your food, guys.
I'm drinking my
Eat up.
Your mother
tea.
convinced
I'm obsessed with
me that
teas.
you joined the online.
Okay, let me show you guys how much I'm obsessed with teas.
I called her
So
separatists, hijacked the circles.
this is all my tea.
And
Right
launched
there.
the United States.
Right here, all teas.
The only way to the
Tea.
internal mechanics was through
More tea.
titanium.
And I don't know where my husband put the other ones. Good morning.
She turned off the regulator and went subatomic to deactivate the bomb.
What are we doing? What are you doing?
Your mom died a hero.
So guys, look what I have. Ah, it's a bunch of brown stuff. We got a bunch of brown stuff. Maybelline brown stuff. I'm gonna try these. I'm going to try these. I have a brow drama. Brow drama. That's a noise. I have a brow define. Phil Dua. What was that about? And brow define. No, brow precise. Yeah, brow precise. So I'm gonna see how I like them because my brow pencil, I ran out of it, and I got tired of sharpening it. Sharpening it. I got tired of sharpening it. So this person don't know how to drive, and neither do you, because I don't know why you insist on speeding with the kids in the car. Even though I've said to you multiple times, don't speed with the children in the car. Like, don't do it. I don't like it. Okay, people, I gotta go because I gotta go scold my husband. I'm gonna go scold my husband because he knows that I do not like him speeding with the children in the car. Huh? Hold on. Let me show y'all. Yeah, how many kids do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 dogs. I don't know. So we're out to eat, and Destiny decides that her bear has to eat as well. So I'm gonna show you guys. Don't move him. Don't move him. I want him to be exactly how he was, face us. So I'm gonna show you guys what she did. Cuddle Bear is eating French fries.
Dad, you have a spicy song. What? Cuddle's hungry.
He's what?
He's hungry.
Cuddle Bear is hungry.
I want one of those.
One of what? What is that? Oh, the sauce?
Spicy.
Here. We're at Sardi's. Sardi's. They have the best chicken next to jerk chicken. Here.
Put on that table.
They have the best rotisserie chicken. Well, I'm having salad.
On the french fry.
And my husband is over there having salad because he's back on his diet.
It's not a diet.
It's not a diet. What is it? It's a lifestyle? Okay.